Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Chrome's built-in screenshot tool. So Google Chrome has a built-in screenshot tool that will allow you to capture specific areas or entire web pages without the need for extension. And this is how you can use it. So the screenshot tool in Chrome is a part of developer tools. So this is how you can access and use it. First, you need to open the developer tools by clicking on this three dots icon at the top and scroll down until you find more tools. Then tap on the developer tools. And in here you can see the developer option. Now you can just open the command menu by pressing Control plus Shift and then the P word on your keyboard. Okay, so the command menu will be open, and in here you just need to type in screenshot. Sorry. Okay, so there are four options in here. The first one is capture area screenshot. It will allow you to select a specific area to capture, and the capture full size will capture entire web page including areas not visible on the screen. And node screenshot, it will capture a specific HTML element or section of the page. And there's also this capture screenshot that will capture the visible portion of the web page. So you can just select the desired option, just click on it. For example, I'm going to go with the full size. Click on it, and it will automatically capture and download the screenshot. You can just close this. Now you can just find the screenshot on your file library. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.